this vlog is actually a request by my friend Wendy Cha. This also goes to the people who are unsure how to apply eyeshadow and who has 4 or 3 shades of eyeshadow palette but doesn't know where and how to use those different shades. Hello everyone and welcome to my eyeshadow video tutorial. If you have a greasing lid or you want to do a summer makeup look and you want your makeup to stay on all day, you need to prime. That is the most important first step in doing your makeup. Here are the different eyeshadow palettes that we are going to use in today's makeup tutorial. And we need to apply the neutral color in our eyeshadow. If we have 4 or 3 eyeshadow palettes, we have to choose the second lightest color. And that would turn out to be our base from which you will build the rest of your look. The next one is we will put a darker shade in our crease, and that would accentuate our look. And these steps adds up drama and definition to your eyes. So the first step that we did is we apply the primer and then the lightest eyeshadow palette on your lid, and then next one is the darkest color, and the darkest color is applied here. This part is the crease. This is your crease. So we use this kind of brush and we just blend it to give that kind of seamless blending. And then I think we're done on this part. So here on the brow bone we put our, what do you call this, our highlighter. So on the brow bone, on my brow bone, I will apply now the highlighter. So it would be this color. So you see the color is from light to dark and to light again, and then we blend it well, and as you can see there, light, from light to dark and light again. So that thing, that the dark shade that we apply here on our crease, and we blend it so smoothly, it makes that kind of seamlessly blending. which is good. And yeah. The technique when doing a makeup is the blending. That is the secret. Also, for the fifth step, so the first step is we apply primer on our lid. The second step is we apply the lightest color or the neutral color on our lid, and then darker shade on our crease, and then the fourth step is this one, the highlighter. And the last step would be putting a lighter shade on our inner eye, inner corner of our eye here. So we always, when we put this light color shade in here, we always have to use our pinky finger, because we don't want to put too much, and the pinky finger is just enough size. Remember to always use your pinky finger when you want to put that shade on our inner corner. And then the reason why we put that there is because it gives your eyes that wide awake effect, and that kind of step is applicable if you're going to a party, like evening party or birthday party or dinner, like you're going on a dinner date with your husband. So goes to the people who are unsure how to apply eyeshadow and who has 4 or 3 shades of eyeshadow palette but doesn't know where and how to use those different shades. So I hope this will help you, and good luck!